To start, open n8n and go to the workflow, or you want to use Supabase. Click the plus icon to add a new node. In the search bar, type Supabase and select it. You'll see a list of available actions. Choose Create a Row for this example. Next, you'll need to set up your credentials. Click Create New Credential. And to connect Supabase, you'll need two things, the host URL and the service role secret. To get those, open supabase.com, go to the project you want to connect. On the main project dashboard, scroll down until you see the section labeled Connecting to your project. First, copy the API URL. This will go into the host field in n8n. Then copy the service role key and paste that into the service role secret field in n8n. Click Save, and you should see a message that says Connection tested successfully. Once the connection is active, go back to the node settings. Now you can choose your operation, select the table, and define the data you want to send. And that's it. That's how you connect Supabase with n8n in 2025.